It's 1122 wing nut out here. Still haven't found a jobby job, so I'm in my shop right at the moment, and I'm trying to get some knives kind of worked on, and this was a mess up, and I'm just kind of utilizing what I had, kind of do that. And these shapes, I haven't really rounded or finished them off, but that's a general shape. And this one, I gotta make a handle, I gotta make a damn tang right here. So that's what I'm doing right now. And kind of like, see how I made that tang right there? I'll probably work that out a little sharper or whatever, but anyway, that's what I need to do on this one. So get that heated up. Yeah, so actually yesterday when I went up to the store, I noticed on the way there I started running really hot. Evidently I got another damn leak somewhere in my radiator, or somewhere around there. So yeah, I don't know exactly what's going on yet. I don't like doing it because I have had some problems in past vehicles when I put that like radiator stop leak stuff in it. It ended up later on down the line, you know. But I am tempted to drive into town and get some of that stop leak stuff, but I'm running low on cash because I don't have any income coming in right now. That's the reason why I'm kind of doing these knives, is maybe I can sell them. I'm thinking about sitting down by somewhere and having a sign saying experienced welder or MIG welder needs work, and also have my knives out for sale. And see if I can sell a knife there also if they don't know where I can find a job. But anyway, yeah, until I can get the van where it's not leaking water, I can't just go out and look for a damn job right now. So I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to utilize my time constructively where I can actually make some kind of cash out of what I'm doing other than just sitting around. I don't want a stimulus check because honestly that's a debt from our future generations I don't want to put on them. And then on top of that, they're not going to send me a check. They haven't yet, and they're not going to. I don't count. I'm not essential in their minds. So fuck them. I just wanted to do a little video. This is the 1122 wing nut. Back out.